Okay, today we're going to review for the Unit 7 test over solving quadratics. So this first one says, what would be the negative solution of f of x equals x squared plus 6x minus 16? Remember, f of x is the same thing as y. So this is technically equal to y. And so we can go ahead and just put this into Desmos. So I'm going to go to Desmos. I'm going to put y equals x squared plus 6x minus 16. Remember, we're only worried about the x-axis, so I'm going to click on these two gray points. So my solutions are -8 and +2. Since the question just wants the negative solution, my answer is going to be just -8. So it's going to be D. Okay, which value of x is the solution for x squared plus 18 equals 9x? So this one's not equal to 0, so I need to box up the -9x, move it over. So I'm going to add 9x. So now it's going to equal 0. The 9x can't combine with any of these, so we're going to have x squared plus 9x plus 18 equals 0. Now I can check it in Desmos. So we're going to have y equals x squared plus 9x plus 18. So my solutions are -6 and -3. So the only one that shows up as an answer choice is -6. So it is C. Okay, the solutions to a quadratic equation are also known as, there was 3 other ways. They're known as your x-intercepts, because that's where it crosses the x-axis, your roots, or your zeros. Okay, what is the solution set to x squared plus 2x minus 3? So we can go ahead and put that in Desmos. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 3. So we have -3 and 1. So the only ones that has both those is D. Okay, this is a spiral question, so a review. Which equation is equivalent to 3x minus 4y equals -12? So this is one where we're going to have to solve for y, so we're going to move the x, change the sign, divide by the number in front of y. So we have 3x minus 4y equals -12. So I'm going to move the x over. When I move it, I change the sign. So instead of +3x, it's -3x. Now I'm going to divide by the number in front of y. So I'm dividing by -4. So I have y equals -12 divided by -4 is a +3. -3 over -4 is going to reduce or simplify to +3/4 x. So if we write it with the mx first, we have y equals 3/4 x plus 3. So that would be answer choice C. Okay, what are the zeros of 3x squared minus 18 equals -7? Remember, zeros are the same as solutions. So we're going to box up our -7, move it over here. So I'm going to add. I can combine it with the 18 because they're both just numbers. So negative 7 plus 7 is 0. We bring down the 3x squared. Negative 18 plus 7 is negative 11. It's equal to 0, so I'm going to put that in Desmos. So we have y equals 3x squared minus 11. So my solutions would be negative 1.915 and positive 1.915. Okay. All right, which statement about f of x equals 4x squared minus 2x minus 12 is true? Remember, f of x, like we said on the front, is the same as y. So first, I'm going to go ahead and type this in to Desmos. So we have 4x squared minus 2x minus 12. So I have negative 1.5 and positive 2. So if I look at my answer choices, the zeros are all the same. So that means I'm going to come over here. So the easiest thing to do is type in these answer choices. So we're going to type in this part into Desmos to see if it overlaps. So we're going to put it in line 2. So we have y equals parentheses x minus 1.5, close the parentheses, parentheses x plus 2. That one does not overlap, so it can't be A. So now let's try B. So I have 2x minus 1.5 and 2x plus 2. That one also does not overlap, so it's not B. Let's try C. So we have 2x minus 4, 2x plus 3. That one, if you watch again, the blue overlaps the red, so our answer is C. Okay, what are the roots to the following quadratic function? So we're just looking where it crosses the x-axis. So it crosses at those 2 points, so our roots would be 2, 6.